It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi, John. At this stage, I think the players are just desperate to get out there, and this promises to be a terrific game.
Now, let's see how both these teams will line up. Anything you want to comment on before we start, Jim?
It'll be interesting to see how much of the ball their key players will see.
So, let's get down to business. The ball played out wide. Now he crosses into the centre. Right time, right place, wrong outcome.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now.
Making inroads deep into opposition territory. And he can't hit the target. There'll be a throw-in. Quarter of an hour gone in the first half. Zakardis. Oh, it's been cut out. The ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. No, that won't be finding its target. And they've played for 30 minutes now. Nowhere near the ball. Foul given. A good spell of passing. That is a cynical challenge. Mr. Referee, what do you reckon? Free kick. And there'll be a yellow card for the foul too. The referee had a good view of it. He sends it in. Still level, but just 5 minutes to go to half-time. What options are there for him? Wants to get this forward. Zakardis. He's got in. The half-time whistle goes.
Well, this has been such a poor effort from both sides. The keepers have been more or less